What is up, YouTubers? Matthew Fritz, aka Jew-Daddy here with the PlayStation 5. As you can see, these beautiful gold letters and numbers. We got 8K, we got 4K, we got HDR. Makes me so happy. So, we're going to do a quick unboxing here. We're not going to draw this out. Here's the back, big deal. We're going to open it. I don't know how this works. I already ripped it. Awesome. So, pull it out like a suitcase. Push that off. And away we go. Let's see. Alright. This is where the magic happens. It's a lot of boxes within boxes here. It's alright. We want our new baby to be safe. Alright. Now, let's be real here. The magic about the PlayStation 5 lies within this beauty, the new DualSense controller. I love it. It already feels amazing. And Microsoft, it has rechargeable batteries built in. Anyways, let's move on from that. We've got standard power cord. Very small, which we like. We got some booklets, which we'll never read. And, here we go. This would be the stand, depending on how we want to set up our new router. PlayStation 5 HDMI cable. So, we'll move all that over here. Now to, oh yeah, okay, this thing's heavy. Here she comes. It's a boy, it's a girl. No, it is a PlayStation 5. It sounds, I think I may have broke it. Okay. Wow. Here it is. In all its big glory, PlayStation 5 is not as big as I thought it would be. That's what she said. But the future, everyone, has arrived. Real quick, on the front looks like we've got a USB, a USB-C. Here's our physical disk drive. Those are our vents. And on the back, there we go. Power, 2 USBs, HDMI, and an Ethernet. So, thank you all for watching. I will have some gameplay up soon. We'll try some 4K 120 Hertz on the LG OLED. And possibly in the projector room. Peace out, Girl Scouts.